Hello everyone, this is lesson number 25, HSK 2, and let's continue. Chapter number 13, I think. So first word for today is 铅笔 pencil. 铅笔, so 铅 is like graphite or it's some type of material. 铅, 不是 graphite, PB, graphite. So it's from chemistry, but B is just pen. So 铅笔 is graphite pen or pencil. Do you have pencil? You have a pencil? 你有铅笔吗？你有铅笔？你有铅笔吗？ Please give me a pencil. 请给我 Please give me 请给我一支铅笔 So is this a measure word? 支 for long thin objects like pencil. You can say also 一个铅笔 also possible. 请给我一支铅笔 I bought 2 new pencils. 我买了2支新铅笔2支 so 2 and 支 for measure word you can say 2个 or 2支新女铅笔 pencils. 我买了2支新铅笔 Next one, show, hand, show. So as you can see, if you check on internet, previous character is more looks like hands, but it still looks like hand. Maybe 6 fingers. I don't know. Your hands are very small. 你的手很小。你的手 your hands 很小 very small. Usually, when we talk show it's usually hand, sometimes it's arm, but usually hand. You need to wash your hands before eating. 吃饭前 so 吃饭 to eat 前 before eat 吃饭前要洗手 You need to wash your hands 要洗手吃饭前要洗手 Even if it's cold, we don't wear gloves. Hands are very cold. 哪怕天冷 So this 哪怕 is a bit advanced for now. You can say even if, no matter what. albeit 哪怕 even if 天冷 so it's cold or 天气很冷 you say 天冷我们也不带 so we even this 也 is so even in this you can say even if it's really cold 也不带 not wearing 不带手套 so 手 hands 它 was like suit but here is just gloves 手套 gloves mitten gauntlet glove 手套手很冷 hands are very cold 手很冷 so 哪怕天冷我们也不戴手套手很冷 Next one 宾馆 hotel 宾馆 So for hotel we have a lot of words 酒店旅游有关饭店大酒店宾馆 So 宾馆 is really hotel This hotel is very clean 这个宾馆很干净 So 宾 is a guest and 馆is like place So guest house or guest place for guests 这个宾馆很干净 is very clean 干净 Which hotel are we staying at 我们住在哪个宾馆我们住 we live 在哪个 at which 在哪个宾馆不是宾馆我们住在哪个宾馆 How do I get to the hotel 去宾馆怎么走 So 去宾馆 go to hotel 走 walk and 怎么好 So 怎么走？不是怎么 how 做 walk 对，怎么走 ？But usually now it's just how do I get to somewhere？怎么走？去宾馆怎么走？怎么走？Next one， 路口 intersection. So this 路 is a road and 口 is like mouth, but here is you can say junction, crossroad, crossing, intersection. Turn right at the next intersection. 在下一个 next 下一个路口向右走，就向 towards 右 right side 走 go，向右走。So it could be to the right, head to the right. It's not just walk, go right and the next intersection right. It's not just walking. 在下一个路口用右转，对，so could be it could be few ways to say it, but it's okay. 在下一个路口向右走，向右走，右，对。There are many people at the intersection. 那个路口 so that intersection 那个路口人很多，a lot of people. So 那个路口人很多。那个爷爷，那个路口有很多人，also possible. I will wait for you at the intersection. 我在路口等你，在路口 at the crossroad 等你，wait for you 等你。我在路口等你。Next one 眼镜 eyes 眼镜 be very careful because 眼镜 with a fourth tone is glasses 眼镜 is eyes 眼镜 Her eyes are very beautiful 她的眼睛很漂亮她的眼睛 glass eyes 很漂亮 is very beautiful 她的眼睛很漂亮 I watched the computer for a long time my eyes are tired 我看电脑时间长了，所以我看 I watch 电脑 computer 时间 time 长了 long for a long time 时间长了，眼睛累，so my eyes are tired 眼睛累 tired，因为眼睛很累 also possible。我看电脑时间长了，眼睛累，眼睛累。The doctor's eyes are blue. 医生的眼睛是蓝色的。医生 so doctor 眼睛 eyes is 蓝色 blue color 蓝色的。So doctor eyes are blue. 医生的眼睛是蓝色的，蓝色。Oh, next one 拿 to take to hold to bring. Let's see. Again, you can see on the bottom is hand, character hand. Please help me hold the clothes for a moment. 请帮我拿一下衣服。请帮我 please help me 拿一下。所以一下说 a bit for a moment。衣服 clothes。请帮我拿一下衣服。He is holding a book in his hand. 他手里 in his hand 拿着 holding 一本书 hand book 一本书 and then measure word 他手里拿着一本书 so this 这 showing holding in the process 拿着 Don't take other people's things 不要拿别人的东西不要拿 don't need to take or don't take 别人 so other people 东西 things so this is the things belongs to other person other people 不要拿别人的东西 Next one just long state suffix the door is open 门开着。So 门 is door, 开 is open, but 这 show its process. So is now is open. 门开着，开着。She speaks while smiling. 她笑着说话。So sometimes 这 show two action at the same time. So while she is smiling, 笑着说话 she speaks. 她笑着说话。He is wearing a white shirt. 他穿着 so 穿 also show wear, but here's wearing, so 穿着白色的衬衫shirt and 白色 white color. 他穿着白色的衬衫。Next one,班 class or group. Our class has 20 students. 我们班有20个学生。20 students, 20个学生。And 我们班有 our class has 班，我们班有20个学生。Which class are you in? 你是哪个班的？你是哪个 which one 哪个班？And then you can say 班的学生，so just omit it. Because you can 你是哪个班？It would be which class are you? But which class are you in? So this 班的 belongs to which class? 你是哪个班的？I'm very busy at work today. 今天我上班很忙。So, but here's 上班 go to work because 班 class or group, but also shift on the work. But for now it's okay. 今天我上班很忙 very busy at work. 上班很忙。Next one, 长 to grow, to develop. This character also read as 长, but translation is long, very long. But here's to grow, to develop, 长. The child, but this character has a lot of meanings. This child has grown up. 孩子长大了。孩子 child 长 grow and big. So 长大了 grown up, has grown up. 孩子长大了，长大了。You have grown very tall. 你长得很高。你长得 so grow 很高 very tall. And 长 the show how you grow up very 很高。你长得很高。对。Oh, 长 also could be she looks like, has grown to resemble her mother. Like 她长得像妈妈。So 像 looks like, resemble 妈妈 his mom. Her mom. 她长得 so she looks like she has grown at that she looks like her mother. 她长得像妈妈。She looks like her mother, right? 她看上去她的母亲 also 已经对 so translation could be different sometimes. Next one, 笑 to smile, to laugh, so depend on situation. Everyone laughed after hearing it. 大家听了都笑了。大家听 so 听 listen, so when they heard it, 大家听了都 everyone 笑了。Laughed. You smile, laughed, it's and depend on situation. 大家听了都笑了。Don't laugh at me. 别笑我 but often it's used as a laugh. 别笑我 don't laugh at me. 别笑我。Who is that girl who loves to smile? 那个爱笑的女孩是谁？ So this 女孩 girl and which girl? And this they describe it. 那个爱笑 so that 爱 to laugh 笑 to smile. Here is you can say to smile. 爱笑 love to smile. 那个爱笑的女孩是谁？是谁 is who？是谁？Next one, 一直 continuously or all along. So 一直 so it looks like always, but a bit different. Please keep walking straight forward. So 请一直往前走. This is a bit hard. 往 towards 前 front 走 go. 往前走 towards front go and 一直 constantly all along. So don't need to turn right or left. Please keep going forward. 请一直往前走. Or could be like this. It has been raining continuously. 雨一直下. So 雨 rain 一直 all along constantly. 下 goes down. Raining. 雨一直下. All like this. He has been working here all along. 他一直在这里. So constantly, always, not always, but from some moment in the past up to now. 一直在这里工作 work. 他一直在这里工作. And last word, 往 to or towards something. So as you can see on the right side, it's really 往, but just a bit different. I think it's more like 猪, but territory. a bit okay. Go left, and that is a hospital. 往左走, so 往 towards, 左 left, 走 go. So 左 and 走 is very easy to mispronounce. 往左走就是医院, and that's just hospital. 就是医院, 就是 so and it will be and just and that is a hospital. And also show a bit fast of action. So you just turn on left and just immediately you will see hospital. 往左走就是医院, 医院. This car is driving towards Beijing. 这辆车, 这辆 measure word, 车 car, 开 driving 往 towards 北京, just Beijing. 这辆车开往北京. So this could be car or bus, so it depends on context. Don't look back. 不要往后看. So 往 towards, 后 behind or back. 往后看 look. 不要 don't look back. 不要往后看. 往后看. So in English you can omit towards, but in English, in Chinese you say 往后看. Let's repeat. First one, 铅笔 pencil. 铅笔. 手 hand 手. 宾馆 hotel. 宾馆. 路口 intersection or crossroad. 路口.眼镜 eyes. 眼镜. 眼睛 is already glasses, but 眼镜 is eyes. 拿 to take, to hold, to bring. 拿 so it's a lot of meanings. 这 just showing long stay suffix in action, so just continuous. 班 class or group, or sometimes shift for work. 上班 班. 长 to grow, to develop. 长大 and sometimes used with the. 长得很高, 长得很漂亮, something something. 笑 to smile, to laugh. 笑 usually to laugh. 一直 all along, constantly, continuously, straight, always, until now, and still something. And 往 to or towards something. 往. So that's all for today. See you next lesson. We will listen our dialects.